Rogue Marby Scott.
Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, welcome back to the channel. I am Rogue Marby Scott. For any of you new watchers or subscribers who don't know me, and if you haven't seen my face, make sure you hit that notification bell and the subscription bell if you would like to see this face again. Anyway, so today I'm going to do a really quick, simple bronzy kind of gold makeup look today. We're not going to use too many products today. I'm just going to be using concealer and some eyeshadow and lashes and maybe some mascara. We're going to be really quick about it because this is supposed to be an easy natural glam look. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows first, and I'm going to be using the Tame and Frame from NYX in the shade Black. Because yeah, why not? And I'm not going to be very careful or neat about anything. I'm just gonna follow my natural hairline or shape, should I say, and just blend that in just to create some definition into my brows before we move on. Now I'm just going to freshen up my face a little bit with some concealer, and I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NW45. I'm going to use 2 pumps today because New Year's took its toll on me. Just let that die down a little bit, and then we're going to blend it out. And as you can see, I'm working around the edges of this concealer first so that I get maximum coverage using it underneath my eyes without blending that. So I'm just going to let that kind of season to my face. And I think I've got a skin infection or something because my skin's changing colour on this side. I'm not too sure. Whatever. We'll deal with that when it comes. And my sponge is moist at the moment. I like that word, moist. It triggers a lot of people, but I love the word moist. Moist, 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 moist. Now as you can see, I am just really pounding my face with this because I want it to blend in with my skin. You can still see my skin underneath, but it's a little bit more airbrushed, and get rid of some of the darkness. Like I've got a really dark spot right there, but you might not be able to pick it up. It doesn't really show too bad in person. My skin looks natural. Right, I'm going to move on with a dry sponge to blend out the bottom part for my bags. And then go back in with the moist sponge. I always do that, like stop and then go again. And I'm happy with my base, so I'm just going to use some Barry M illuminating finish, because this is practically what I would do every day anyway. Shake that well. And I'm going to go in with my sponge just to push that into my face. I'm not going to do any highlighter today because sometimes you just don't want to be clockable. Sometimes you just want to lie to people and be like, yep, my skin is flawless. I'm not wearing any makeup. However, you've seen me without makeup, so you know when I am. So I can't lie to you guys anymore. And I just love that sheen that this setting spray has. I mean, it says illuminating, but I just love the way it gives my skin a very dewy, natural look. Like, you know, I've just been out in the sun. Clearly not. We're in the UK in January. It just makes all my features pop a little bit more. Right, happy with that. I'm going to move on to my eyes now. Using the shade Stun, I'm just going to use a fluffy brush and work it in from my outer corner, like halfway through, and keep it more towards my brow bone. Like so. This is a gorgeous shade. So Stun is from the Vivacious palette from Jolie Beauty, which I really love. Oh, that looks lovely. And I'm just going to continue to blend that until it gives me like a, I don't know, sun-kissed burnt brown look. I don't know how to explain it, what I'm trying to do, but you will see. Now I'm really happy with that shade. I don't want to go in any deeper, but I do want to deepen the inner corner just a tiny little bit. So I'm going to go in with Galactic, and I'm going to use my finger for that, and I'm just going to pop that here and blend that in with my finger. And you can see I didn't use that much. Going back in with the same brush that I just placed Stun, I'm just going to blend that. Now I'm going in with the shade Desired, and I'm going to place that in the middle and work it into my outer corner. I'm just going to push it into the outer corner a little bit because there is a shade I'm going to be using next. I just love the way that these are blending in. They're just gorgeous and foily. Going in with the shade Intimate now, I'm going to go in to my inner corner and bring that into that nice coppery red shade, blending it in. This is also going to act as my inner corner highlight. Going in with Stun just underneath. I'm lightly going in. I'm not going too heavy. And connect it in to the top. Going in with some Intimate now, just to go underneath here, my inner corner or lower lash line. And now it's time for mascara. Mascara I'm using today is the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. I'm not really a fan of the brush, but hey. So I've just put on a pair of lashes, and these are the lashes that I put on, if you can see that, yeah. But I halved them so that I can just only have lashes on the outer corners rather than the whole strip. Just need to put on some Vaseline, because we don't want no ugly looking lips. And that's the final look. That's the final look, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Yeah. Very easy, very simple, as you could see. It was hopefully short enough for you guys to follow and, you know, just beat your face, you know, in less than a half an hour, because sometimes makeup can be a drag. Anyway, so as I really love this palette, the Vivacious palette from Jolie Beauty, and there are so many shades in here. A lot of well, all of the bottom is glitter. Jolie Beauty is known for her glitters, and there are some shimmery shades and there are some matte shades. Let me know if you'd like to see more of me using this, creating some looks. I can create some subtle looks and some dramatic looks depending on what you'd like to see. Don't forget, you can get a discount code from moi, which is ROGUS55, who is texting me right now, or, you know, link here for the website, and I'll leave that in the description box below, also with any other information that you may need. Yeah, so it's time for me to go now. Speak to you soon. Bye. Just as a disclaimer, I forgot to say this, is that this code that I'm giving you guys it will give you 10% off. However, I have joined the affiliate program with Jolie Beauty, so I do get a commission. I don't get that much of a commission, but I do get some commission, and the commission that I will get from you guys, if you decide to order from the website, which I recommend that you do, because yeah, top notch, I will be putting back into the channel, so I won't be using it for anything else. I'll be putting it straight back into the channel, buying new products for you guys to, you know, for me to review and, you know, show you and give you the real tea on certain things. But yeah, I will see you soon. I said that already, but I'm saying it again. Bye. Rogue Marby Scott.